What if I told you the secret to surviving a 100-degree heat wave isn't more water, but a supplement from the bottom of the ocean? This is Kelp Meal, and it's the ultimate insurance policy for your organic garden. Today at the Academy, we're breaking down why kelp is a powerhouse of hormones and micronutrients. I'll show you how it builds heat resistance, how to apply it, and a quality check secret for a kelp foliar spray that acts like an instant booster shot. Hey, if you enjoy these videos and want to learn how to get your plants healthier and bigger, make sure to subscribe. Growing here in Southern California, I've seen what happens when the environment pushes your gardens to its limits. When the temperatures spiked, my plants started to wilt. At first, I thought the solution was simply adding more nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, but over time, I realized I was overlooking the smaller biological signals, things like plant hormones that help regulate the entire ecosystem. That's when I started learning about the hormones that affect growth. I learned how auxins promote stem elongation, root formation, and directional growth. Gibberellins stimulate seed germination, stem and leaf expansion and flowering. I learned how cytokinins promote cell division and delay leaf aging. Ethylene regulates fruit ripening and response of tissues to stress. Abscisic acid acts as a growth inhibitor and helps trigger stomata closure and maintain seed dormancy. Now, let's learn why these are important. Kelp is packed with over 60 trace minerals, and more importantly, cytokinins. These hormones tell the plant to stay green and keep the cells strong even when the environment gets hostile. It doesn't just feed the plant, it protects it. Quality control is key here. You want cold, processed, North Atlantic kelp. When kelp is heat treated, many of those delicate plant hormones are destroyed. At that point, you're left with the material, but biological value that supports the ecosystem is largely gone. All right, there's two ways to use this. First is top dress. 1 tablespoon per gallon of soil. Mix it into your top layer with your worm castings. Second, the foliar boost. 1 teaspoon of soluble kelp per gallon of water. And spray this on your leaves at sunset. Here's your technical alert. Don't spray your plant in the middle of the day. The water droplets act like tiny magnifying glasses and can burn your leaves. Spray early morning or late evening when the stomata, the plant's pores, are open and ready to absorb the nutrients. Building a resilient garden is about long-term thinking. Invest in your soil now, and it will pay you back during the harvest. All right, guys. If you found this helpful, make sure to pay it forward by hitting that subscribe and the like button. We really appreciate it. Keep growing, keep glowing, and remember, the seeds of today are the flowers of tomorrow. Class dismissed.